Good morning, guys. Hope you're well. Hope you're good. Welcome to my humble abode on this lovely morning. Mangwanani. Tamuka, mamuka. Saka appointment yet in there one, ne? Iripo. Okay. Rienda manje kunotenga usabi. Is it called usabi? No kunotenga nyama. Nozopika manje. No. Okay. Hello. So guys, it's my guys. They're working next door. They're working next door on the construction site. So what happened to us? These guys, yesterday it happened that I was just standing there looking at them. They're doing paving. Some of them are even small. They're young. They're small. So they're doing paving. Then I say to them, my phone is ringing. Then I say to them, my phone and my camera is dead. Sorry guys. Then I say to them, they were working without gloves. So I say to them, why can't you guys get gloves? I don't know where is the better. I said to them, why can't you guys get gloves to use? Because you know they're using their free hands. So they said no, they can't afford to buy gloves. It's noisy also there. They can't afford to buy gloves. So I said, but the gloves are cheap at Build It. They said, but we, my sister, we still can't afford them. And then I was told that those gloves at Build It, they're not for what they do, because they won't even last a day, those cheap gloves. So okay, then I said, okay, shame. And then I said to them, okay, then I'll make you lunch tomorrow, meaning today. So they're so excited. They're so excited. So that's why this morning I was greeting them. Mangwanani is like good morning in Shona, Zimbabwean Shona. It's like good morning. So I was speaking to them. Then I was saying good morning. And then I was telling them now I'm going to buy meat. I'm going to the shop to go buy meat to come and cook for them. Lunch, because they told me their lunch is at 1. So come with me guys. Now we're gonna cook lunch for our brothers, for our fellow brothers. Shame, they work so hard, and then they don't earn so much, you know. That's when I realized if they couldn't afford those cheap gloves. And I'm just going now. Come with me to the shops. Let's go buy meat, and we're gonna cook pap for them. We're gonna cook pap. Come with me, let's go buy. Come with me. Just go to the shops. Okay guys, from the shops I bought this meat for them, these 2 packets. There is my mealy meal for the pap, and then let's go pick up kale from the garden. Let's go pick up kale from the garden, and we start cooking. We start cooking. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. The guys are here. The guys are working here. There's the guys. They're working here. Yeah, those are the guys that I'll be cooking for. So let's pick up the kale. It's nice to have a garden, because then you pick up fresh from the garden straight to the pot. See. I didn't even ask them how many they are, but I'm sure, because I'm gonna dish it in one big bowl anyway, in 2 bowls, like pap bowl and the meat bowl. On, yeah. Okay, fam. This is the pap for the guys, for my brothers. It's a bit messy. Sorry, my pot is too big. I'm not used to cooking using a big pot like this. I'm not used to cooking for lots of people. But they're not a lot today. Anyway, it's only the 3 of them. Because yesterday they were about 10, eh? Yesterday they were about 10, so I thought I was gonna cook for all of them, but I didn't realize that today they only three of them came. I should have asked yesterday how many of them are gonna be here today. But anyway, doesn't matter. Those 3 also need to eat. So that is what I'm doing now. This is what I'm doing now. The pap. That thing is a glass for the stove is so noisy. Okay. I don't know how to cook pap in a big pot like this. But it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. And my thumb is sore, guys. My thumb is sore. Remember, when I went to the hospital, I have to wear a brace. So, but now I can't wear a brace for my thumb and still cook. So that's why I took it off, so I can just do this. But it's so painful. I have to go back to the doctor on Tuesday next week. Remember, if you watched my previous video when I went for an x-ray for my thumb, so it's so. Aye. And then there is the meat and veggies. There is the meat and veggies. Can you see, guys? That's the meat and veggies that we'll save with it. Okay, guys, wait. This is the finished product. This is the finished product for our guys. There's our pap, there's our meat and kale. I threw in a bit of chili sauce. You know, guys, they love chili. I'm not advertising Nando's, so disclaimer. And then the cool drink. And then that's their lunch. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. I think today they're gonna have a nice, decent lunch. Okay. Come with us. Let's go give it to them. I'm gonna close it because we're going outside. If you let them eat in the garage,
it's clean.
They can sit in the grass. Put it in the grass, in the lawn. Let me hold this for me. I'll take it to the garage. I'll take it to the garage first. Just come with me. Come. I just want to put it in the garage. Bubbles, you're gonna make me fall. I just want to put it here because Bubbles, so that she's not gonna follow me. And their cool drink. What else? Toothpicks. I'm gonna give them toothpicks as well. That's their cool drink. So you're gonna come. Let's close. Stay, mommy, stay. Where's the remote?
Stay.
Come now. Stay, Bubbles. Stay, mommy. Stay. We're just going outside. Go look at mommy. Go look at mommy there. Go look there.
Put no table here.
No, they're gonna sit there.
Is it 1 o'clock? You don't want to pull them off the job. Is it 1 o'clock?
It's 1 o'clock, I think. Alright, come on. Come. It's running, just leave it.
Don't pull them off the job, eh?
It's 1 o'clock then.
Put it here, huh?
Where's your lunch? Come. You're gonna sit here. I'll put it here. Okay. They're gonna sit here. And their cool drink for them. So, what was your uncle? What do you think, guys? There's my guys. They're just still finishing off. You see them? They're the ones doing the paving here. They're doing this paving here in the neighbors. For our neighbors. Hello. So, yeah. They're gonna sit here in the grass. They're coming now. Okay. There's your food. Eat before it gets cold. You're welcome. You're welcome. This is my YouTube channel. You don't mind, eh?
Okay.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
There's my brothers. My brother. What's your name?
Lipson.
Livson. Panache and Sylvester. Yes. I'm Tandy. That's Bubbles. She wants to be part of us. There. Yeah, so that's good. So there is my brothers, guys. They're gonna have lunch now. Okay guys, my brothers are eating. They're all happy, they're appreciative, and I'm happy too that they're having a warm lunch today. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me as I prepare their food. And yeah, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think of my brothers. These are little things. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love giving. I love sharing with others what I have. The little that I have, I love to share with others. So it's my little gestures of good faith. I've done my good deed for today. And I feel happy. So thank you guys. Please share my channel with your family and the friends. Let's grow this channel together, fam. I love you and may God bless you. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bubbles also wants to be in the midst. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to mommy's people. Say goodbye, Bubbles. Okay guys,